all the biggest tournament that a football player wants to play. I don't have no more. So, and guess what, Mafetu? I've signed a professional contract, so Honano, my mom and my dad were separated because of alcohol. They couldn't, their relationship was dead, but as I never divorced. So I promised my mom to say, I said, you know what, Mama, because now I'm not gonna buy me a car first. First, I'm gonna buy you a house because I'm Kukwini straight. So unfortunately, my mom passed on the same year. On my first year being a professional footballer, and then I bought myself a car because umama kaseko yabo le mali bengithi ngiyisave ngavela ngathi ithi vele ngibangene yabo ithi vele ngibangene. I bought a car, and you know guys, my first salary, you know, I gave it to my mom. I think umbone for 3 months, and then she passed on, and then after that alcohol was now my thing. It was football, alcohol, and I couldn't deal with the thing you would have lost my mom at that age, because I never thought with mina ngizokula ngena mama ngamboni. I never thought. Of course, I knew ukuthi abantu bayashona, but I never expected ukuthi it will happen to me at that time, as young as I was. So, and now I started to drink. I became a superstar. You know, I became a superstar at Kaizer Chiefs. I became a superstar all over the country, the newspapers, Jabu this, TVs, I was all over. And I started having a lot of friends. And instead of focusing and say, you know what, now you are playing for one of the biggest teams in Africa, not only in South Africa, in the whole continent, Kaizer Chiefs. You've got an opportunity to make serious money. Because in football, we make money. Imalo I 7 for 10 years, I can make it in 2 months. That's a fact. I mean, that's how it is, guys. I'm told me. Unfortunately, in football, you make serious money within a very short space of time. So, guys, I started drinking too much, and people were telling me when I go this side, people offering me beers when I go to the clubs. You know, the club owners will be giving me booze because they know that if I come to their club, obviously I will come with the support and everything. And at the end of the day, alcohol became unmanageable. I couldn't manage myself anymore. I couldn't pitch up for training sessions. I couldn't pitch up for my endorsements. I had Coca-Cola shoots, advertisements, all those things. But I couldn't pitch up because I would be drinking. And then the more I started drinking, and now I lost my job at Chiefs. First of all, before I lost my job, I was involved in 2 car accidents while I was drunk. And fortunately, there was no one who was shona or ashokafal. Kabanaki, Linna, my car was a write-off. The first A3, when the first A3 came out, I bought that car. Katona accident, tikita khilwe, fortunately enough, but Balimala, I had to pay to take them to private hospitals and to pay for all those things. Secondly, we were at Sun City Metro Awards. The same things. Drink after the awards, after party. I went with my brother to the hotel. Arifika go to my brother with the Arowala Naga. And then guys, while I was driving, I was still drinking. I was trying to go back to Sun City, but I took one wrong turn. I don't know where I went. Shooting driving, libeleng phuza, ngaze ngachayisa esigangeni, futhi imoto yami yaba right off again. 3 hours away from La Beslene Court. I don't even know which ngifike kanjani lapho. still I survived. I don't know how I survived. And the more you get, famous and you become successful, drugs also, I started, other people introduced me to cocaine. I started doing coke, and then now my life was definitely unmanageable. And Chiefs, I lost the contract at Chiefs. I went overseas in Austria 2004. When I got there, I drove under the influence, and then I slept while I was driving. I think the story, it was on the papers at some point that I slept on the road in Europe. I don't know if you remember that story. No, manje yahlekisa, but it's true story. Drinking and driving, driver ngiphuza azange ngibone ukuthi kwenzakaleni, ngiphaphame emaselini eAustria nahanda abantu bothwara ko Europe for drink and drive. Kin now. And guys, alcohol after that, when you get drunk, you can easily get infected, STDs, HIV. Most of the times when you are over the limit, we know, guys, the condom ayisebenzi. Ungagula, so you're risking your life yokugula, and also amantombazane ukuthi they must go to the club.